Hi friends, it's Terry from Veegstez Creates. This is a bit of a sort of vlog, life update really, and to explain why some of the videos that I said that I would publish haven't been published. So basically in the Spellbinders playlist, if you've seen the first video that I posted giving an overview of the kits that I had received for the June release, which were quite a few, I also shared quite a few cards that I had made. And my plan at that time, back in May, was to do that initial video and then do follow-up video tutorials on each of the releases. So the Sealed for Summer, Carissa Wiley's It's My Party, the Spellbinders It's My Party 2, well that was going to be one video, and then a third video, and other products as well, including the new modern oval set and the Franz frames. So that was my plan, had it all planned out, and then life decided to throw a spanner in the works. So you might notice that I'm not looking my best, and that's because on top of my already pre-existing health conditions, which is a progressive form of spinal arthritis and my inflammation of my rib cage, which I'm going to have steroid injections for on the 20th of July, so just a few weeks, so that should really help, and I'll be getting them several times a year. But basically about 4 weeks ago, about a month ago, I developed this nerve pain around the back of my shoulder, my scapula, and that sort of region, probably, yeah, that sort of region coming out from my spine, and it's also been going down my arm. And to be honest, for those of you who haven't had nerve pain before, it's absolutely horrible, and there's nothing that you can do about it really other than heat and ice. So I've just been folding some laundry and that aggravated it and made it worse. So as you can imagine, editing videos and making the cards, I mean all of the cards are made apart from the cat ones, which I'm going to finish off ASAP. So there will be a video in that Spellbinders series which is basically going to be more of a show and tell. So rather than doing full tutorials, although I've got the footage, rather than doing full tutorials of how to make each of the cards and the card concepts and stuff, I'm just more going to show you and explain what I've done, so that I will be following up with content for that. And then I've also very generously been sent a release for July, so that's going to be launching on the 10th. So from the 10th, hopefully I'll post on the 10th, but if not shortly after, then a video on that release, which is really exciting. I absolutely love it. So I will get this video posted today, just so that you're aware. I know my regulars, if you've watched that video, you might be thinking where are the others, and I know that you like to know how I'm getting on. So I just wanted to let you know, A, why I haven't fulfilled what I said I was going to do, and B, that yeah, I'm just doing the best that I can at the moment. I've had to take a few mental health days where I've just sat with my heat pad and watched Harry Potter, but sometimes these things need to be done because we have to look after ourselves, and in order to bring you the best possible content, that's what I've had to do. So I'll get this video up today, and I will get the show and tell video of all of the many cards that I've made with the multiple June releases, and it would be absolutely fantastic if you are interested in any of the Spellbinders products that I'm sharing. If you feel inspired by any of the cards, there are some great sales on at the moment. As one sale ends, another one begins, so there's some just really fantastic sales on, so always a great time to stock up your stash. And I'd really appreciate it if you would shop through my affiliate links, because then hopefully Spellbinders will send me more products to create with and bring you inspiration. And if you did come across me because of that initial Spellbinders video, I do have a lot of their products. I've got some other videos filmed, such as like the basics of how to do hot foiling and use the negatives of the foiling, and how to use the wax seals. They were going to be part of the longer videos, but I'm just going to do them as like mini little sort of 5-minute videos. So there is going to be lots of Spellbinders content coming up, because I'm on a number of design teams, but I'm most well known really for my work with Tonic Studios. I've been working with them the longest really, and I get sent a number of releases each month. And July again, there's some exciting things happening, so there's lots of craftiness going on, and I'm just struggling a bit in terms of meeting deadlines, but Tonic are extremely supportive of their design team. They're a fantastic company, as well as providing great products. And please, if you are going to shop any Spellbinders products anyway, I would really appreciate it if you would use my links, because basically with Spellbinders, the more traffic that I send to them, the more likely is that they're going to reach out to me with more products. So please help me guys, because I really want to work with them more and have much more inspiration to share with you. But I've just bought the entire release for July anyway, because I absolutely loved all of their clubs. I already subscribed to the Spellbinders stitching kit of the month, because I love stitching on cards, and I've got loads more inspiration. Again, I've got another half a video filmed, so there will be lots of more content coming out once things have settled down in my life in terms of my pain levels. I've just started, well, I'm just starting to build up to the dose and find my correct dose for this nerve pain issue. Then I'll get the steroid injections, so by sort of August, September time, September's my birthday, woo, then my health will be a lot better, so I'll be able to bring out more content then. Yeah, so that is all from me. I'll post this video now. I will get the Spellbinders show and tell video for all of the June releases to you ASAP, as in the next couple of days. And also in July, on the 10th or a few days after, I'll get the video for the release that I was sent for July, which is just amazing. You're gonna love it, you're gonna love it. So that's all from me, and I'll see you again really soon. Any questions or comments, just leave them below in the comment section, and in the description box will be my affiliate links. So speak to you soon guys, love you, bye.